Looking for a way to boost your average order value?
Wow!
Everyone loves free gifts. How can you reward your customers with free gifts by 𝗂𝘂𝗶? You can choose between two methods.
Option 1. Auto add a gift to cart.
When customers are qualified for an offer, the gifts are added automatically to their cart with just one click.
Option 2. Customers choose gifts.
You can also let your customers choose their favorite gift items from various options. With the Free Gifts app by 𝗂𝘂𝗶, you can set the priority level for all offers so they can run together at once. Buy one, get one. Buy three, get one. Buy X, get Y. Buy X, get Y and Z. Buy X, get 40% off Y. Buy product from collection A, get gifts. Spend $100, get gifts. Purchase 3 items, get X. Offers requiring specific URL access. Offers based on customers' order history. And thousands more waiting for you to discover. A super app that can create and run multiple offers perfectly. Convert new customers. Increase order volume and average order value. Clear out excess inventory. Your sales will increase more than ever before. Free Gifts has had over 25,000 installs since its release. Get Free Gifts by 𝗂𝘂𝗶 and see your average order value skyrocket today.